How to enable or disable subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, make sure you have imported your subtitle file or created subtitles directly in DaVinci Resolve. To disable subtitles, go to your timeline and find the subtitle track. You will see a message type icon below the track name. Click on this icon to disable the subtitle track. Once disabled, the subtitles will no longer appear in the preview or final export, but the subtitle data remains intact on the timeline. To enable subtitles, simply click the message time icon again to make the subtitle track visible. This will enable the subtitles in your video preview and include them in the export. You can also customize subtitle appearance by selecting the subtitle clip and using the inspector panel. Here you can adjust font style, size, color, and position to match your video's look. Before exporting, double-check the visibility of your subtitle track to ensure subtitles are included or excluded as needed. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.